Hello friends, in previous video I talked about installation of code blocks in Windows 10. So how to write some codes and code blocks. Let's see. While we open our code blocks and we open a file, we just see these things, some lines of codes are already written here. Let's talk a little about this. In line number 1, in first line we just see here hash include standard input output dot header. What does it mean? Hash include is a precursor directive. So it can be called as a library as well. So while we include this library, it contains some file or some information while compilation. So C programming is a functional programming. While we run the course in C programming language, so first it will be compiled, then the result will be shown through the console to us. Here something is there, standard input output dot h. H stands for header. So the second line also has the same information, or it has some different information. So while we say that standard input output contains some information, while compilation means this printf, this return statement, or some white spaces here while we give. So after that, in line number 4, there is something integer main. So every C program contains one or more functions. So while we say one or more function, obviously this program also contains one function which is called main function. So this function is must in every program which we run, which we write in C language. So what does this function do? So this function contains a statement printf function. So this is also called a function or a statement. We just see here printf. Printf means print formatted. F stands for formatted, print formatted. So print formatted or printf contains a bracket here, open and close bracket, and in the bracket there is double quotes, these two double quotes, and after that whatever statements we write in this, it prints as it is on the console. So after that it ends with a semicolon. So this semicolon is must. This semicolon and this bracket and this double quote, these are important in every statement of printf while we write in a C programming language. So after that we come here and just see what does this return 0 means. This return 0, as we said that we have a function, main function here, and it is a type of integer. So while we say integer, integer means number. Integer means 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, any numbers. When we put, it contains these things. So here this functions. So here we see just return nothing. Return 0 means return nothing. So obviously every function returns something. So here this function returns nothing. Why we say 0 here? Because this is its type is integer. Here this function also contains. So after that, let's run this program. We just see what it prints to us. Just come here and build and run. We just click on build and run. While we click on this, there will be console to us. This console shown to us that hello world. This statement we have written in printf.